Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Robux in Roblox. So first you have to launch your Roblox app in your device, or you can go to your Roblox website in your PC. So on the top right corner, there's an icon on the middle, tap on that. And here you could see there's a 0 Robux. A lot of paying options that we can buy from, and you can simply tap one of the options from here to buy Robux in Roblox. And now it will take a few minutes, and on the bottom that say add a payment method to your Google account to complete your purchase, and tap on the add credit or debit card. And after selecting payment method, you have to type your card, and after that you need to enter the password of your Gmail that is currently signed on your Google Play. And that is it, and that is how you can purchase or buy Robux in Roblox. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.